stop hiring humans. Who is buying Nvidia? What is the revenue of ChatGPT? Who is actually going to pay for these AI companies? Layer of AI, how does it work? What is likely to be happening in healthcare? Recently, I came across this Twitter post. Stop hiring humans. The era of AI employees is here. So I replied to this post. My reply was, AI is replacing a set of employees in different companies who are already using AI, right? So these employees get replaced, their jobs are lost. AI companies are getting paid from the same employees who are already replaced by AI. Real question here is, at the end of the game, who is actually going to pay for these AI companies? So this is a loop nobody really wants to talk about. What happens to the revenue of these AI companies post the replacement of the AI employees of any company using AI? These employees get jobless and there is nobody to pay for these AI services. So let's have a look into the finer details. So if you look into the detail of OpenAI having ChatGPT, which you might have all heard about and you are already using ChatGPT. What is the revenue of ChatGPT? It's just 5 billion. And the operating loss is around, say, 10 billion. Okay. Anthropic, if you look into the second leading company, the revenue is 1 billion and the loss they are making is somewhere around 5 billion. So what is really happening in the ecosystem? The AI companies are providing AI services to the public. Most of them are using AI services for free. Mostly it is used for to replace a Google search. So who is the best doctor nearby our locality and stuff like that. Actually AI can be used for much sophisticated tasks and to do better things. But generally most of the population use AI for this mundane task which can be done also with a Google search. Now the layer of AI, how does it work? Like it has to be trained. You need GPUs. So who is selling the GPUs? It's Nvidia who is selling the GPUs, and Nvidia is almost having a monopoly on the AI chips or the GPU chips. Now Nvidia, who is buying Nvidia? Nvidia is bought by companies like hyperscalers like Microsoft, Google, Amazon. All these companies having data centers. These data centers are buying Nvidia GPUs for say around hundreds of billions of dollars, and Nvidia is having a market cap of say around 5,000 billion. So this Nvidia market cap, how does it correlate with the AI company's revenue? Just around 5 to 10 billion range, right? So Nvidia sells these GPU chipsets to the hyperscalers. They rent it out to AI-based companies, and the AI-based companies generate the revenue, and most of these companies are in operational loss. So like the tech bubble of 2000, AI is likely to be a bubble. Yeah, so how does a company like Nvidia have a market capitalization of 5,000 billion when the revenue from AI made by OpenAI and Anthropic is in the tune of say around 5 billion. It is clearly a bubble. So that is one aspect of AI. And coming to the healthcare sector, you cannot actually replace the healing touch of a nurse or a doctor with a layer of AI, right? So in healthcare, I don't think the AI is as an empowerment tool. As long as it is there, it will empower the decision-making pathways, and it will help to empower to force the protocols in healthcare, and everywhere in general it will make the life more easier for the jobs to be getting done. So that is what is likely to be happening in healthcare sector. You can't automate empathy. You can't automate the healing touch. The nurses, the doctors cannot be replaced by codes. So that is the reality. At HODO, technology doesn't replace human, it frees them. It helps them do paperwork in a better way. It helps them to be more organized and more streamlined. It empowers them with the AI intelligent layer, because some systems run on data, but the best system always is driven by humans.